2018 Hyundai Sonatas. I want to say from like 2012 up until this year. Starter replacement. Let's make this real easy. I mean, the intake manifold, undo the throttle body. You got to move all these hoses and shit out the way. Air intake hose, air intake duct, throttle body. Make that full. Had to move this upper radiator hose out the way. Undo full bolts on the bracket that's underneath the intake manifold, so that way you can slide the starter out. That motherfucker even look bigger and better. Throttle body connector. The other connector unplugged on the throttle body. Put the coolant lines back on the throttle body. Air duct going in. Suspect don't know it, but we did a bracket delete on this motherfucker. It won't hurt nothing. God forbid I gotta change that bitch again. This ain't gonna be in the way. That motherfucker started